So this motor is misfiring. The customer complained of misfire. So when I scan it, so what the scanner says was bad plug and nozzle. So I've looked out the nozzles. Here is the nozzles. Look at, these are the nozzles. See how dirty they are. And again, look at the plugs. Here are the plugs. See how bad they are. And again, look at the actuator. See how dirty and clogged up it is. So what we want to do now, we service this actuator, then replace the plug with the new one. These are the new plugs. As you can see, these are the new plugs. So this is what we want to use in servicing the nozzles. So stay tuned. Thank you. See you in the next video.